Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to find UID of your Binance and how to find your Hamster Combat address, wallet address. So if you want to find your UID on Binance, this is what you have to do. Tap on the Binance icon at the left corner of the interface. Okay, tap steadily. So now this icon ID, you see where it says ID. If you press steadily on it, you're going to copy it. If you press steadily on this, you will copy it. So if you press tap on it, you can now press the dash icon there and it will be copied. You can see I have successfully copied it. Then if you want to get your Hamster wallet address, tap on the wallet. Okay, on your wallet, tap on deposit. Then search for Hamster. Select your network. Tomcoin is the network for Hamster. Tap OK. They say both memo and address are required to successfully deposit your Hamster to Binance. So tap OK. So you can see the first one there is your network, the second one is your deposit address, and the third one is your Hamster memo. So any of them you need, you just have to tap on the dashboard icon there and copy them. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.